This is lesson 26, computational methods for solving a linear system by substitution. Graph the following system of equations on the coordinate plane. So if I graph this one first, we have y equals 3x plus 5. And then I have my slope is 3 over 1. My b is 5, or 0, comma 5. Y equals 8x plus 3. My slope is 8 over 1. My b is 3, or 0, comma 3. So now to graph these, I have 0, comma 3, which is here. So now I go up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and over 1. And I can go down 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and over 1. So the first line I graph is this one. Which is y equals 8x plus 3. My second one starts at 0, comma 5, which is right here. And we go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1. And then up 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 1. 1, 2, 3, and over 1. And then 1, 2, 3, and over 1. 1, 2, 3, and over 1. So this line goes like this. So we have y equals 3x plus 5. So if you notice here where it crosses, if you look at that, it's hard to kind of distinguish where it crosses. So it's not easy to identify. We can estimate a solution based on the graph at about 1/3 and 6. But we need a precise answer. So we need to use an alternate strategy. So we're going to use the substitution method. When we use the substitution method, here's what we do. We substitute one equation into the other. Solve for the variable. and then plug that answer into one of the equations. To get the other variable. Okay, so here we go. We have y equals 3x plus 5, and y equals 8x plus 3. So here I have y equals 3x plus 5, and we are going to substitute it in for y. So we would have 3x plus 5 equals 8x plus 3. So now we're going to solve it for x. So we're going to subtract 3x to both sides. So I have 5 equals 5x plus 3. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And I get 5x equals 2. Divide both sides by 5. And I get x equals 2/5. So now I have x equals 2/5. So I'm going to say y equals 3. X plus 5. Substituting that in. I have here 6 over 5 plus 5, which equals 31 over 5. So now my solution is 2/5, comma, 31 over 5. Next. Here we have x equaling a number, so we can substitute that in. So we have 2x plus 3y equals 5. We have x equals 5y plus 9. So we're going to substitute this in for x. So I have 2 times 5y plus 9 plus 3y equals 5. So here we have to use our distributive property. So I have 10y plus 18 plus 3y equals 5. So now I have 13y plus 18 equals 5. Subtract 18 from both sides. I have 13y equals negative 13. Divide both sides by 13. Y equals negative 1. Now substituting that in, I can substitute that in for x equals 5y plus 9. X equals 5 times negative 1 plus 9. So negative 5 plus 9 equals 4. So our solution is 4, comma, negative 1. So now to check our answer, I have x equals 5y plus 9. So 4 equals 5 times negative 1 plus 9. 4 equals negative 5 plus 9. Negative 5 plus 9 is 4 equals 4. And that answer checks. In our other equation, we have 2x plus 3y equals 5. 2 times 4 plus 3 times negative 1 equals 5. We have 8 minus 3 equals 5. And 5 equals 5. And that also checks. We did some equations in class. We actually did just one in class. Have those. And that ends our lesson.